Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the Metabo 613216000 KGS 216M 1200W miter saw. This mobile M-class crosscut and miter saw is not just light and user-friendly. It's precision at its finest. With the innovative precision cut line, you'll achieve the perfect cut every time. No readjustment needed. Need to tackle wide workpieces? The sliding function has got you covered. And with a turntable that allows for fast, precise angle settings, you'll breeze through your projects. Inclination from 2 to 47 degrees? Absolutely. The Metabo 613216000 KGS 216M is perfect for undercuts too. Plus, its robust die-cast aluminium design means it's built to last. Say goodbye to dust clouds with effective dust extraction and enjoy the soft start feature for a long motor life. The extendable table width extensions make it easy to handle even the longest materials. Secure your workpiece effortlessly with the quick action clamp and create grooves with the easy-to-use depth guide. All controls are visible and intuitive, right from your working position.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.